Hello and welcome to the Tardis. So the Tardis has got a paintbrush on it. Must have left it there. Has gone through some changes over the past week or so, and you can see these little dimple things are done. They don't look amazing, I know, but they certainly do look effective as they are 3D. Didn't have to back them or anything, just took a layer of the cardboard away and it revealed that, which is what I did with this one, but I put loads of masking tape on top of it and it sort of looks a bit bad, so I think these ones look better. They're cleaner, a lot cleaner. And I've done it on this one here, this one here, and this one here I've done today. And I've only got one more to do, which is that. I'm finding it a little cramped in this room. Probably would have been. I don't know if it would be, but would have. Well, it's better for space in the conservatory, but it's definitely better for lighting here and convenience here as well. And what doesn't correlate on camera is just how huge this thing is. It's a 4-foot table with a lot of extensions to it. I'd say the table ends around there. So you've got all the way to here. It's huge. And it's quite surreal that it's not even full size. It's about 2/3 scale. Or maybe a little bit bigger than 2/3 scale. It is genuinely huge. I do struggle for lighting, just to show you around and things, so I'm using a hallway light. But my demat lever hasn't changed. It's still like this. It's still annoyingly ugly, but one day that will change. I've got a phone on the console just because I thought the Dotzer would have a phone, especially because it's one from the 2000s. Everything's in order, and I've got the bigger one up again, but I still got to get a big enough piece of cardboard to go around that to make it the bigger ring like this one here. As for lights, around time I've fixed up the lighting in areas, so hopefully it'll be a bit brighter. And you may be wondering, where's the disc gone from here? And where's the disc gone from here? Well, they're currently in the back garage being painted. Spray painted silver. They're currently drying at the moment. Changed a few things around. I did a few bits and bobs and stuff, and still got to do this. And I did do this one here. You won't hold on. This little bit here today, and fixed up this one as well. Yeah, I could use this lighting, but this lighting makes it look a bit, ugly. But this lighting's all right. It is actually green. My camera's showing it up as blue, but that's only when lighting this sort of stuff. It still looks blue. Reflections look green. Strange. And but timer is a bit brighter. These lights around the room do work. Some of them are dying a bit. You can definitely tell from colour change. Yeah. So these aren't going to last. They don't give any light at all, except the fact that you can see them. That's it. So I will need to get a light just to go around this room. Some more wires hanging from the top. You got a white wire, you got 2 black wires hanging from the top, which are just wires I could find. And that's pretty much it for the console. So yeah, struggling for lighting, but definitely struggling for space. And it's hard to update the console when there's no space, which I should have thought of it, but oh well. And I've still got how many more legs I've got to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more legs, I think, if I'm correct. Let's see. Yeah, 2 more legs to do, and that is that. And it will be extremely hard to get to the plug sockets and stuff, and I will have to go under the bin bags, which is okay because they flap up. The bin bags, I don't know. They work. They definitely work, especially when it's dark. They do the job very nicely. Suppose they work all right, really. I mean, black cabling, I'll probably get it one day, just not now. You can actually see the candle that's holding up the panel here. Pretty solid. Yeah. Everything's all right. Still standing. Survived a whole move. So yeah, it's I think this is warped a bit. I'm gonna have to fix that. I've only just noticed it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more updates. And yeah, that's all I've got to say. Goodbye, YouTubians.